How to install the built-in red light. Remove the 4 fixing screws of the rear seat. Remove the cover of laser path. Unplug the connector. Install positive and negative wires. Red wire is positive, and blue wire is negative. Install the red light. Red wire is positive, and blue wire is negative. Loose the fixing screw. Red wire to red wire. Blue wire to blue wire. Tighten the set screw. Remove the screws and guard plate. Install the red light base. Install the red light and adjust the laser dot. Measure the height of scanner. Red light spot is too large, need to be adjusted. Adjust red light spot to the minimum. Fix the red light to the base. Tighten the screws. Plug the connector in. Cover the laser path. Fix the back cover. Turn on the red light line. Loose the screw. Adjust the angle. When red line and red spot coincide, it means correct focus. Tighten the screw. Edit a square 110*110 mm. If the marked square and red light square not overlap, adjust the offset of red light. Until the two squares overlap.